Hi, my name's Emma, and I live and travel full-time out of my 2015 Kia Sedona. And as you can probably tell, I just woke up. I slept great. I slept for like 12 hours in this Cracker Barrel parking lot. You can't really see that it's a Cracker Barrel because I fogged up the windshield, but you can kind of see it a little bit. Anyway, I'm headed to New Mexico. I'm like 16 hours away. Definitely not gonna make it there tonight. I may not even make it there tomorrow. But I wanted to take you with me on the journey. A lot of living in a minivan and traveling and doing kind of van life activities is living on the highway, e.g. doing very long drives and just sleeping wherever you can. I am somebody that does not like to do like 12, 16-hour hauls in one day. I don't like that. So my drive will likely be broken up with things. I'm definitely gonna go spend probably a couple hours at a gym today. Right now I'm in Illinois or Indiana. Big drive today, I think, maybe.
Frog with a quarter line, he did ride a sword and a pistol by his side.
Bro, I missed my exit!
Oh, this is a very interesting looking one. I haven't seen one that looks like this.
This is a really nice Anytime Fitness. They're not all like this. This is I almost want to stay in this area just so that I can come back to this gym. This is really nice.
I'm too lazy to put it in the cup because then I'm gonna have to wash the cup or figure out a way to wash the cup. I can't really use my sink right now because it's below freezing most nights, so I don't want stuff to freeze. So I'm just gonna be real nasty and eat it like this. What is that? I forgot the name of that song. What is that?
I am in misery.
I had a couple mishaps trying to find somewhere to sleep earlier tonight. I had two other options that both failed, so this feels pretty good. I feel very good here. I got a beefy tuna, celery, cheese, and pickle sandwich. I would love to toast this, but I don't feel comfortable heating up tuna in my car right now. So, here's dinner. So I just had some dinner and I realized that I have put myself in a little bit of a pickle. I had a lot of trouble getting to a place where I felt safe to sleep tonight. I was driving on reservation land for a good part of my last 2 hours. The Walmart Supercenters didn't work out, so I found this Love's truck stop. But unfortunately, the truck stop where I am right now is on the I-44. I-44 is part of a major Oklahoma turnpike, and there is a toll that I'm going to have to pay to get off of this highway and get back onto my previous route, which was Route 69, going down to the I-40. I think that a lot of these places are cashless, so that's a problem because I'm not gonna pay the $40 to set up a Pike Pass account because I don't need to spend $40 in tolls. They're probably gonna take a picture of my license plate and send me a bill in the mail, but the problem is that I don't really have an address right now. Luckily, my legal residence is back in New York. I have it registered as a family member's address, so I can just have them look out for a bill from the Oklahoma Turnpike Authority for me. But like, if I didn't have somebody at home, then this would be a major issue. But yeah, I'm gonna go to bed. I'm gonna try to make it to at least Amarillo, Texas tomorrow, and maybe get through the Panhandle if it's a good day. I'm gonna brush my teeth and go to bed. I will catch up with you in the morning. I wasn't expecting it to rain, which is fine, but it's a little bit loud. Normally I would just make coffee right here, but I gotta pee real bad, and I think that I would really like to splash some water on my face and, wash up a little bit. So I'm gonna go in the Pilot. Alright, I feel a little bit better. Alright, let's get out of here. I'm getting off of the turnpike now. I don't see any toll. I think I missed the toll section. Oh no. No, I didn't. Alright, whatever.
I began the process of dying. At 7 o'clock, I made an attempt to be perfectly still and jumped when I felt my soul fidget.
I am just passing accident after accident after accident on this road. I'm trying to make it to Amarillo, but I don't think that I'm gonna drive much further beyond that. I think I might wait for this weather event to pass, because I know that Texas, this area and Texas doesn't generally have the infrastructure for ice and snow and stuff like that, so I think I'm gonna take it easy today. I don't know what's going on here. I just saw a semi go into a ditch. The road, like, I've been testing my brakes this whole time. I know that a semi is a lot bigger and heavier, but like, I'm braking fine. I feel like I'm missing something. Why are there so many accidents? It's making me nervous. So I'm driving literally 15 under. What is going on here? Okay, I understand now. Okay, so the roads were fine until they weren't, and there was a bridge, and you know how bridges ice over before the rest of the road does? The next gas station I see, or the next Love's or something, I'm just gonna pull off and wait this out, because I've seen, there's another one, another car just in the I'm just gonna, yeah, I'm gonna get off before I get killed or somebody kills me. Another one. I have stayed at this Cracker Barrel before, and I am so glad to be here. Oh my god, that was scary. I don't really know how long I'm gonna be here. I just want to wait out this weird ice event because I don't feel safe on that highway right now. We might be here into tomorrow. I do not always patronize Cracker Barrel when I spend the night there, which is a little sad. Like, you know, it's such a good establishment for people like me who need places to stay off the highway sometimes, and I don't patronize them enough, honestly, just because it costs so much money to eat out. But today, I think I'm gonna eat there. One, because they saved me from an ice storm, and two, because I've got a gift card. I'm gonna get myself ready, and then I'm gonna go have some lunch, because I'm kind of hungry. If I pick a nice big meal, then I'll have leftovers for dinner too, which would be really nice. Oh my god. Baby steps. Baby steps. Hiya. Can I have a table for one, please? Thank you. Thank you. Ugh. That was good. I picked literally the heaviest thing I could find on the menu, and that was the hash brown casserole thing. I am fed and happy. I think for the rest of the day, I'm gonna hop in the back and do some editing. Yeah, I'll catch you in the back. I am in no rush, so my drive will
It's about 7 p.m. My weather app says that it's 26 degrees outside, but I don't believe that. I don't think it's that warm. It feels a lot colder. The real feel temperature is 14 degrees, which feels about right. that feels more correct than 26 degrees. And 14 degrees is -10 Celsius for those who are into Celsius. I'm gonna make myself some cider. I've cracked a window for ventilation. I made it way too hot for me to drink, so I just have to hold it and wait, which is totally fine. I'm okay with that. The fridge was keeping my leftovers at like 39 Fahrenheit, which is a lot warmer. So the food has been warmer than the ambient temperature, which is nice. But I've got my warm drink. And it is exactly what I needed. And heating up this beautiful cider in the car has made the car maybe 1 or 2 degrees warmer, which feels like a lot. So I'm going to have my little drink and eat my dinner, and then I'm gonna go to bed. I'm having a nice time out here. I'm gonna crawl in my sleeping bag after this and get all cozy. I didn't even make it to Texas. But that's all right. New Mexico will have to wait. So I guess I'll see you there. Alright, I was just gonna end the vlog there, but I just wanted to report that was a pretty cold night. That was the coldest night that I've ever spent in here. It got down to about 7 degrees, but with the wind's chill, it brought it down to like 0 or 1. Check it out. It's snowing inside. I'm gonna get out of here because it's 8 a.m. and I've been in this Cracker Barrel for almost 20 hours now. But yeah, I just wanted to report because that was a unique one for me. But now I know that I survived and that it's okay. Bro. Ugh. Oh my god. I opened it and then... Oh my god. Ugh.